Okay, this is our third and final brain teaser. If you've watched this one and you like it, there are two more before it, so go ahead and go back and watch those as well. But let's get started with the last one. All right, we've got our very last brain teaser here. It has to do with snacks. I personally love snacks, so this is a great question for me. It looks like what we've got here, we've got maybe some Cheez-Its, some cookies, and some popcorn. And what they're telling me here is, okay, if I go to the store and buy 2 bags of Cheez-Its, it's gonna be $8. If I go and I buy a cookie and some Cheez-Its, that would cost $10. If I go and buy a cookie and some popcorn, well, that'd be a little bit cheaper. It costs $9. Now, what they want us to figure out is, okay, if I know all of these other ones, how much they cost. If I tried to buy a Cheez-It and a popcorn, how much would it be? So I want you to take a few minutes right now, pause, see if you can figure this out. If not, I'm definitely going to have a clue for you. I think this is the hardest brain teaser we've had so far. So I know that you can do this and that you're definitely up to the challenge. Take about 2 minutes right now. Try to work on this. And if you're struggling or if you want a clue, I'll have that for you then. So go ahead, take about 2 minutes. All right, so for those of you who want a quick clue, I've got it here for you. So let me just zoom this in a little bit in just a second. Sure, we're marking here. There we go. All right, so this first one, it says 2 bags of Cheez-Its are $8. All right, so what I'm thinking to myself then is, all right, if I know that 2 bags of Cheez-Its are $8, well, a bag of Cheez-Its got to cost the same thing. They're not going to make it 2 different prices at the store. So it's got to somehow be even. I've got to be able to split basically that 8 in half. So, okay, what are 2 numbers that are the same that equal 8? Okay, well, I think what works here is maybe 4. Oh, yeah, it's definitely going to work. Okay, so 4 plus 4. Okay, that equals 8. And those 2 4s, those are the same thing. So, okay, those 2 bags of Cheez-Its, they must equal $4 each. Oh, great. So I figured out that a bag of Cheez-Its is going to be $4. All right, so that's your first clue. So what I want you to do now is go ahead and pause this video again and see if you can figure out the next one. So see if you can figure out, great, if a bag of Cheez-Its is $4, can I figure out this next problem right here? So go ahead, pause. If in about a minute you're not sure, go ahead and push play on that video again, and I will be here with your next clue. All right, so here's our next clue. Now we're trying to figure out, okay, if the cookies cost, well, we don't know how much the cookies cost, but if the Cheez-Its cost $4 and a cookie plus the bag of Cheez-Its cost $10, then I got to figure out how much those cookies are. So that's what I'm going to try to do right now. So let's do that. 1 second. I just had a couple of things come up on my computer. There we go. Okay. So I know that basically this guy here, that's $4. Okay. And I know that when I buy both the cookie and the Cheez-Its, it's got to be 10. So what I'm trying to think about now is, okay, if I bought the Cheez-Its, I still need something to make that whole thing $10. So how much does that cookie have to be if the whole thing is 10? All right, well, what, basically I'm looking for what plus 4 equals 10. So that blank plus 4 has got to equal 10. Well, what plus 4 equals 10? I think it's 6. Write that in there. Let's see. All right, so I've got 6. Okay, so 6 plus 4, is that equal to 10? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so now we know that the cookies must equal $6. So we figured out part of this. We know that, great, the Cheez-Its equal $4 and the cookies equal $6. So that's your second clue. Now see if you can do the next one. So we've got cookies plus popcorn. If those equal 9, then, and you already know what the cookies are, can you figure out how much the popcorn is? So again, go ahead, take about a minute to try to figure that out. If you're not sure, you can push play again and I will help you out. So pause right now, take a minute, and then you could push play again if you need some help. All right, so let's talk about that third one there. So I already know that the cookies equal 6. So this is really similar to the one before this. I just have some different snacks in here. So I've got the 6 plus, now I don't know how much the popcorn is, so I'm gonna put a blank there again. Blank, and I know that if I bought both of them, it would equal 9. So 6 plus blank equals 9. So I need something, some number that I can add to 6 that equals 9. Oh, I know. Okay, so it's got to be 3. Because I think there that works. 6, yep, 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, great. So now, though, what they want to know this thing at the very end. So I haven't even figured out the answer to this yet. So now that you have how much the snacks cost, the Cheez-Its, how much the chocolate chip cookie cost, how much the popcorn cost, see if you can figure out, well, the final question here. And I'll reveal the answer in just a second. So go ahead, pause, try to figure that out. All right, let's talk about our final answer here. Now I'm running out of space to write, so I'm going to kind of write on the side, but we know that the snacks, the little snack pack there, which I think is Cheez-Its, that equals, we already know that costs $4. We figured that out at the very beginning. And we now know from the last problem we did, so this problem right up here, that the popcorn costs 3. Whoops, that disappeared. Try to make that stay. There we go. So now what's 4 plus 3? Well, that is, my friends, a whopping 7. So our final answer there is 7. Hopefully you got that. Hopefully you figured that out. Great job working on that, even if you didn't figure it out. All of these puzzles were tough, so you should be really, really proud of yourself for even just trying them. I hope you had fun, and I will see you all next time. Have a great day.